Hey friends, today we are going to unbox a Cricut Maker 3 and set it up so that we can craft. First we're going to start by opening the box. And the first thing on top is your test cut and instructions and stuff inside. Then we have pieces of cardboard. And here's our machine, and it's all wrapped. And then underneath the machine is our cords. First, I'm just going to, there's like a little place where you can keep tools and stuff in here, and I'm just going to take a pair of scissors and lightly poke a hole so that we can remove the outer plastic. It comes with USB, but you can also use Bluetooth if you don't want to connect it to your computer, and which is what I'm going to do. And then we have the plug-in, which plugs in back here. And then we'll plug it in to our power tower. And then next we're going to set it up on the computer. Okay, I am going to go into Cricut Design Space app. Then I'm going to click on the three lines up here where next to home. And I'm going to click on New Product Setup. And I'm going to click on Smart Cutting Machine, the Cricut Maker 3. And then this tells you how far to keep it away from the wall. And shows you how to plug it in. And you click on Next. You can use the USB cord that came with it to connect it to your computer, or you can use Bluetooth. I'm choosing Bluetooth. Okay, once your Maker 3 has connected via Bluetooth, as you can see it has done here, we're going to click on Continue, and then it asks you to agree to the Cricut Terms of Use and Privacy Policy. You can click on these and read about that. It also shows your email address up above with your Cricut ID, and then you just click on I agree and activate. Next, it's going to reboot your machine, and that may take a few minutes. Once it's done doing that, you're going to click on Next. Okay, next the computer wants us to turn the machine on. You have 4 buttons on the right hand side of your Cricut machine, and the top one is the on button. And your machine's just going to do a little warm up. Before I hit the next button on the screen to test the machine, we are going to open the envelope that came in with the machine on the top of the box. And you're just going to turn this over and open it here. Like that. And then inside, it tells you to activate your machine and how to do that. You can go to their website and do that. Or you can go into Cricut Design Space if you already have it downloaded on your computer and activate it that way. Also in that envelope is a piece of smart vinyl to do our test cut, and your warranty for your Cricut Maker 3. I'm going to click on the next button, and it wants your fine point blade in clamp B, which ours is already there. And then it wants you to load the smart vinyl into the machine. Okay, we're going to load the smart vinyl into our machine, and it's wanting us to do that by just putting the vinyl in and making sure it goes under these 2 little tabs and pressing it up against the rollers. There's one on each side. And then it wants you to press the blinking arrow buttons, and it will load the smart vinyl into your Cricut Maker 3. Once it's ready, it wants you to press the blinking light button, which is the go button. We're going to press on that. Once the machine is done, the up and down arrow button will blink, and that means to unload the smart vinyl or your mat. You just press on that and it will push the smart vinyl back out. And as you can see, it did cut out the word Cricut with a square around it. And you can use a weeding tool to weed the vinyl. And there is the word Cricut. Once you have done your test cut, your Cricut is ready to be used.